Yep, just sitting outside chilling. Look at Aiden. He ain't paying no attention. We sitting outside of Old Navy waiting on his mom to come out. See, this Old Navy right here. I think we outside of Old Navy. Well, Old Navy right here. So let me show y'all. So Old Navy is right there. And we got all these stores over here. Aiden standing there. There's some kind of store here. An airplane, Aiden said. And so, yeah, you got the soap dispenser. You got a Dollar Tree over there. You got Marshall's, Burlington, or Rec Room, Old Navy. A lot of stores over there. You got a lot of people in cars over here. And you got over there the Nail and Spa, Ashley Stewart, Salon and Sweets, the Bubba's Tea Store. Now we're going in Old Navy, y'all. Nene just called us. She probably over here, maybe. Yeah. He's spraying off the bugs, supposedly. What they be doing? Nope, they got it on there, calling neutral. I guess. No, I guess it. Oh. I'm probably putting it neutral. Oh. Alright. You gotta put. Go back up. Cause you're on the thing. Back on up. Okay, now stop. Now you gotta put in neutral. What? So we put it in dry. We just told her to put in neutral now, y'all. He didn't tell her at first. So now we finna go in the car wash. In the car wash. Yeah. We're in the car wash. We're in the car wash. He spraying the thing back there, y'all.
That's okay. Just start moving. That's how it be doing. It'll be moving your car around.
So you was in there when it was on it? Look at Ada. He's excited, y'all. He loves it. No. Oh. This is. Oh, there you go. Oh. He said car wash. Y'all, look at that. Ew. Oh, camera still on. Look at them. She got it in neutral. We at the end already. Look like I seen a little clearing. So I said, yeah, we at the end already, I think. Fogged up, ain't it? Y'all, we at the end, y'all. See, she get it supposed to blow it dry, y'all, but they gave her that towel for a reason. Look at that. That thing ain't doing nothing. Look at that. And then they say tire shine. Buff and dry. Oh, it's finna dry with this thing right here. It's dry though. Well, here you go. Oh. I was gonna say that thing ain't doing nothing. Y'all, come on now, really. Oh, gotta hit the one. Alright, y'all, we doing now.